Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to plant this beautiful succulent called Haworthia. So this is also called zebra plant, as you can tell because of these white lines all over, and it looks so beautiful. Almost it looks like a synthetic plant. So the best way to propagate this is, wherever is the mother plant, what happens is that it starts to grow small pups on the side, and basically you want to cut those pups as close to the mother plant as possible and just plant it. So that's what I did here. A couple of days ago it got cut from the mother plant here, and you can see now the calyces form. You don't want to plant it immediately. You want to leave it out for a couple of days for it to dry out and callus to form, and that's when you plant it. So in this planter I have this succulent potting soil mix which has lot of sand and perlite. So basically this needs a very shallow planter, and also very small one because it doesn't grow very fast. And that's about it. It doesn't need too much. But unlike other succulents, if you put it out in harsh sun, it will get burnt. And it will become very dull. I have done that with one of my Haworthias, and as soon as I moved it inside in indirect light, it started to thrive. So that's what you want to do. You want to keep it in a room where it gets a lot of indirect sunlight, and it is going to thrive. And of course, just like succulent, you shouldn't water it too much. So it has this flower shoot, and I was thinking that it is dry, but actually it is not dry. So I'm going to leave it as it is and not touch it. I'm going to water it a little bit and then just keep it inside uh, where it gets a lot of sunlight. So I'll keep you posted in this. So it's been a few weeks that we planted our Haworthia, and uh, one good thing is that the flowers are blooming. So that's good news. So I'm really happy that the flowers have bloomed. If they didn't bloom, then there was a possibility that I didn't do something right. So this has been sitting inside. It gets a lot of indirect sunlight, but no direct sunlight, and it's doing well. It's been a few months that we planted this Haworthia in this small planter, and that flower shoot, it basically died, so I cut it. I mean, there is still the remnant of that flower shoot. But if you look at this, they have gone beyond the container. It was so small, and now it has spread out and it has grown so tall also. This is sitting inside in very low light, um, and is just growing happily. So basically, it doesn't like direct sunlight at all, and indirect sunlight is fine, but it can grow even in low light. So this is great for the rooms which don't get too much light. It looks so beautiful. You must plant it in small planter because it doesn't grow that tall very quickly. In about 7-8 months it has grown only this much, but now it looks so beautiful, and it requires no care virtually. Once in a while I water it, maybe just once in 15 days, and that is sufficient. um, so very low maintenance, requires uh, very little water, very little sun. What else do you need from a plant? And it looks so beautiful, all these zebra lines. And now I'm just waiting that it will grow a pup or something, and then I'll separate it and I'll show you how to do that too. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.